let's see how this goes.
What's up, guys? I'm back behind the camera. Isn't that right?
So, any real 350Z owner will tell you the door handle doesn't work, so I have to get through it by lowering the window. But hear me out. You can hit the key fob, and hopefully, if you press and hold, it'll go down. Mine only goes down a little bit at a time. The other thing you could do, sometimes it works better, I don't know why.
Oh!
It doesn't always work like that. See how it still stopped?
Yeah, but it still went down.
Then you're bored, because otherwise...
What the hell? Alright.
Dude, tips and tricks.
Get a cold start? Are you ready for a cold start?
Here we go.
Oh, that's definitely a dead battery. Hey, so I think your battery's dead.
Hold on, let me try it again. Yeah.
You have the jumper?
It's in Mexico, bro. I got my jumper cables. I can squeeze in the car right here and then bring the cables.
That works. How does it feel, Brian, that I'm back behind the camera?
About time, dude. About time. You got a nice camera, though.
Thank you. So we got Jared's Corvette. We got Brian's 350Z that hasn't been started in like 3 weeks, and then we got the Fox body.
This is what I got a new battery for, dude.
Oh yeah.
Dude, my other, I had to go get a replacement. It was gone.
He got the Optima battery.
I do like the way your hood opens.
Thank you, man. We can make that happen for you too.
Yeah, we could, man. We actually could. We just swap the hinges and put the hinges right here and the locks right there.
He's not even India.
What am I?
Fiji.
Exactly. This guy knows. This guy's done his homework. He studied.
Yeah.
I'm about to give it a little bit of...
Yeah, give it a little bit of revs. It's almost there. It was almost there. I heard it. Oh. 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 Yep, we're good. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Yeah. Oh my god.
Dude, hey, my car's...
I'm a 30-year-old car.
You're a dirty car.
Oh, dude, that pop.
Oh, dude, that pop was loud. Smells like straight corn fuel. Is it smoking?
Just a little bit.
Residue from
probably
gasket leak.
That could make sense.
Hopefully the battery gets battery again.
The battery gets batteried again.
Does battery thing.
Dude, I want to smell E85. It smells great. Pop it, bro. You're getting my car high.
It does look like it.
My car wants to be you so bad.
Well, it's breathing it all in.
Yeah, I can see that.
That's why his car looks happy. Have you not seen the
Yeah,
dimples
my car
and the smile on it?
Yeah, you see? You got the head, the eyes, the dimples, and the smile. That's actually a great comparison.
All right. See?
That's
That's just the
great
way it goes.
Yeah.
Mine? He didn't get fucking shit.
Here, let me wash it. I like your seats, though.
I do like your seats, too.
Hey.
Over 90. What do you say? How do you say it? What do you say?
Glasses.
What?
Can you hear me? Hello? 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 You're on the right channel. Oh, it died?
Yeah, that's what it is.
How? That's a fully charged one.
There might be a chance that, like, one of these days...
You left it on? God damn it, Jared.
You guys ready to get engulfed?
Yeah.
So much easier that he doesn't have a front bumper. Doesn't have to worry about scraping shit.
Yeah, I see it.
Dude, it was coming out of the air vents. Maybe I got a blown engine. Who knows?
Nah, I don't say that. If it was blown, you'd know.
It's just a gasket and it's been sitting. And I haven't driven it, so it's probably saturated in oil.
If it was blown, you'd know.
Yeah, that's true. You know when I'm blown.
Told me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Baby, don't try it, just stop it. You should know that I got options. I be fly like I live in the cockpit. Mess around with the money, get drop kick. Only one in the city to pop quick. Never cared about being your top 10. Got a house in the hills, can you top this? I came from where them boys leave you topless. It get crazy around here in my section. All of my ops get to stepping. Know how long I had prayed for these blessings. Took my L's and turned them.
Dude, she looks so pretty now.
Thank you.
She looks so pretty. Dude, look at your wing. Oh my god.
God, dude,
glistening.
shout out to my painter.
Dude, best painter of all time.
Check out these fenders, dude.
Ooh.
Look at that. Look at this.
Oh my god, it's already cracking.
Shout out to my sponsor.
Yes. Can't lie, that wing does look good though.
Thank you.
Look at that boom right here. Check it out. I can't wait to shoot rollers with this camera.
I know. And you have a gimbal setup for this?
That's
You
it.
need them out?
Yeah. You want to sponsor me, Brian?
No.
Yeah, it's like 1,200 bucks.
That's it?
Yeah.
Dude,
You want
put
to
it on
sponsor
the
me?
card.
You want to sponsor me now?
Put it on the card.
Now you want to sponsor me?
Put it on the card. Business card.
Oh, I don't want to put on the business card. No, I need funds in there so I can pay all my subscriptions and my editing
Your
software.
OnlyFans?
But yeah.
After work, yeah.
Donations, and he doesn't even stream anymore.
Yeah, he didn't like quit now?
He quit because he made it as top streamer.
Yeah, he made it as top streamer now.
Retire on top, dude. Everyone knows that.
It's like everybody thinks like Mr. Beast is gonna retire like that, but that guy's only making more money.
Yeah, he's making money after every video.
Yeah.
People are making money off of what he's gonna say in his videos.
That's true.
You know that?
It's a whole crazy ecosystem.
It's like fantasy, or it's like draft
Like,
picks.
like
Or price
like
picks, whatever
betting
it's
what
called.
he's gonna do for the next thing.
Betting what he's gonna do and
Kalshi?
betting. Yeah, call
But
she. Yeah.
Kashi feels like, isn't it like thrown in your face a lot?
It feels like a scam.
Well, yeah,
It
it
is
feels
thrown in
like
here. It's all over the place.
it's all
on.
just premium advertisements. They're
Now,
just,
unless
like,
call she
pushing
hits
that
us up
shit
and
down
says,
your
"Hey,
throat.
we want to sponsor one of your videos."
Yeah, and then I'll take back everything I said.
We'll delete this video.
And
Kalshi, please hit us up, but don't hit us up.
I'm actually a degenerate gambler.
Really?
Yeah.
How bad?
Well, let's just pull out $5,000 and see where we go.
All right, $5,000 put on black.
Per hand? That's
No,
crazy.
I'd rather put it on just one number.
Okay, $5,000.
Follow the DGen twins?
Fine, $5,000 and put fine, $5,000 and put it on green.
Oh, green.
Yeah, that's what times 10, right?
That's times 10.
Are you talking about roulette?
Yeah.
Yeah. How good? What's your luck in blackjack?
Like 30%.
Well, have you played craps?
I usually start off with craps.
Okay. How's your luck in craps?
Good until it's gone. That's how the game is played.
That's how.
Because you basically lose when you roll a 7, so you roll your boat.
Rims that actually look good, like this, deserve to be dried and actually cleaned. Mine, man, those shits never see soap.
We can't let it get a nice car too, Jared. Mine, on the other hand, are a pain to clean.
No, but I never put soap on mine.
Look at these. I have the turbines, and they are such a pain to clean. These are OEM, by the way. If you guys don't know anything about box bodies, these are OEM, and they're a pain. Thank you to the makers of Brake Bomber for making that so it's easier to clean.
What happened?
I'm saying Huh? Oh, Stealth Bomber. It's not Brake Bomber no more. Stealth Bomber. No, my rims. Like, you guys' rims are easy to clean, but go to mine. Look at mine.
Yeah, see,
The turbine style
the
rims.
thing is like, I was telling him, I was like, Brian, because you have nice rims, it actually makes me want to clean them and everything. I look at mine and I kind of,
nice.
I got no hubcaps, bruh.
Neither do I on one side. Only film on the other side.
This side?
I only have hubcaps on one side of the car.
There's a hubcap. There's another hubcap. They go from Nismos to Nissan. That's funny. Look, see? You got a black Nissan badge right here, or a hubcap right here. And then you have this silver and black Nissan hubcap. And then you go to this side.
Oh, let me get out of the way.
And you got the Nismo. And you got the matching Nismo.
3 days later.
Carter. Look what I did.
Is this for Cosmos Street?
No, maybe. Yes, of course. Hola, papa.
You've never seen me outside of the shop. Me and Brian are neighbors.
Yes, we are.
What do you need to cut?
Well, I put it on. And my intercooler is too in the way, so should I just take this whole thing off or cut right here
You'll have enough if you just cut right here.
on both sides?
So,
Take it off and cut it?
yeah, you're gonna have to cut it from the inside. So, cut like right there. Leave you like probably an inch on each side just for some wobble.
Yeah.
Or even if you wanted to go in just to the whole bottom and then trim out like a ½ inch. Do you know how to use a grinder?
Yeah. I've used it before.
I was gonna say I can't do this right now. Me and Amber are going bowling with my dad and like.
It's
within,
okay.
like, 15
We'll figure it
minutes,
out.
Dude, fuck.
What'd you say?
Don't cut your finger off.
I'll be alright. Famous last words.
I'm gonna put a new wheel on it too, because this one's been sitting in the garage for like fucking years. Or 4. This has got like 3 bumpers myself. So. This thing's a little sketchy.
Is
Like,
it?
you kind of gotta like, you gotta manhandle this fucker because it's old. I rebuilt this grinder myself when I was 17.
That makes me feel good.
It works fucking amazing. It's done miles and miles of welds.
This thing is being held on together by 2 fucking tap-ins.
Gucci, dude. Ooh,
And I
look
tapped
at
this in.
you.
What part?
Fresh. Is that Costco Jack?
Costco Jack, dude.
Good man.
Yeah,
Costco
it was
Jack's
150
fun,
bucks
bro.
instead of going to like O'Reilly's and paying.
I'm across the street. We're about to make a lot of noises and ruin your peaceful Sunday. This is for the YouTube channel. Bada bing. Hold it so it doesn't fucking rub on you. What we're gonna do now is we're just gonna hold it up, even if you want, like prop it up like that. And then we'll go across
slip.
and just score her in there.
All right,
Let me go grab my safety squints.
Papa. My safety squints proceeds to squint.
Now, in theory, since we scored it and it's plastic, you should be able to just rip it.
In theory.
In practice.
Thanks, dude. All right, moment of truth. Let's find out.
Let's see.
Oh, it actually goes in further now.
Oh, dude, look at that. You're fucking golden.
Am I?
Look at that.
Sorry.
And look at how
Sorry, eh? Okay, that's not terrible.
it's actually not gonna look that bad.
No. And then we got an anchor in. And then this one.
Let me see if this side goes up all the way too. Dude, you're fucking Gucci though. The bolts are falling into the holes. It'll suck up.
Okay, it won't go further on this side.
Oh, we're hitting. Okay, yeah. So we're hitting the charge tube or the intercord
Actually, it
tube
might
over
be
here.
alright, unless it burns it.
It's gonna rub a hole through right there on your
Oh,
coupler.
it is.
And then maybe same thing over here. So we'll
Here,
come
let's
up,
cut
And
some
we'll-
angles in.
trim the corners off these side slats
Yeah.
a little bit. That way we're not fucking popping your hoses and creating new boost leaks after we just fixed them.
I know, right?
That would suck. It was just barely touching, dude. So I think that should definitely be fine. deeper. Oh, you put the screws back in. Yeah. I'm gonna trim a little bit more.
Really?
Yeah, on this side, just barely, barely. So, in another lifetime, Carter was a body man. This plastic, if you ever see like plastic that you're cutting and it kind of just bunches up like that and turns into like this weird like hair looking shit, it's called a SMC, sheet molded compound. So this is the best kind of plastic to work with because it likes to flex and it's very easy to plastic weld.
Okay.
It's easy to fix. So
That's nice.
yeah, that's why like
These are like drift, people friendly.
Yep, extremely. Because you fucking weld them back together, man. Harbor Freight little plastic welding tool. It's like you either use nitrogen gas or just a hot ass iron. It works amazing. What's up, River?
Sweet. And there you have it. The fitment is terrible. But from far away, it looks awesome. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And our cooler looking good through it, huh? Hidden. All right. Thank you, gang, for watching. Just a few more steps. Let's get that computer in.